CSX. Equipment defect detector. Milepost 5.3. Track number 2. First hotbox axle 4-8 north. Rail from head of train. End of transmission.
Alright, down here at mile marker 141, we're waiting on a train to come. As you can see, we've got 15 gondola cars. Let's see if we can zoom in here. All with old railroad ties. I've been redoing the railroad ties down here on the siding. Lots of old railroad ties on each side of the tracks, but they're filling them up. You can see this Conrail here, Conrail Quality. Well, that's an old car. 915089. It's labeled CSXT. Like I said, we're just waiting for a train to make its way through. We have a tanker down here too. Must have had some trouble with it. It's been sitting down here for a while. So like I said, 15 gondolas sitting down here with a lot of old railroad ties, and there's a lot of them up and down the tracks. I've been seeing them out here filling them up with that little crane that they've got. Guy comes out here and picks them up on the side and sticks them in the gondolas. And they'll probably ship these back east. I'm not sure what they do with them. But alright, we're still waiting. But that was pretty cool. There's an old New York Central down there, another Conrail, and then we got the Conrail Quality here. So alright, well, we're gonna check it out, see what we can find, and get anything coming through here or not. But I just wanted to show you these gondolas just full of railroad ties all the way down. Don't know when the work train's going to ship these out, but I'm sure he's going to pick them up because they're all full. And you can see that tanker down there. Alright, well, hopefully we'll catch something through here, guys. Stay tuned. Up here at mile marker 141 on the west end of Effingham.
41 west on 1, clear 29, approach medium 32 out.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 3-1.